In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp formula custom fields, 5 minutes. First, start by signing into your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the right space, folder, or list where your tasks live, because formulas calculate per task and will pull data from fields in that same location. Open any view you're comfortable working in. A table view is great because it shows columns side by side and makes it easy to see your new formula at work. Once your view is open, look to the far right of your column headers and click the plus button. This is how you add a new field to your view. From the field types that appear, choose Formula. This tells ClickUp you want a calculated field rather than something you type into manually. Give your new formula field a clear descriptive name so teammates instantly know what it does, like total cost or time variance. Clear names make reporting and filters easier down the line. When you're ready, click Create to add the new column to your view. You'll see the new formula column appear. Click into the column header and choose Edit Field. This opens the formula editor where the real magic happens. The editor supports math operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide, functions such as if statements, and text operations. The key to building useful formulas is referencing the custom fields your team already uses. To make that easy, look to the Variables panel inside the editor. This panel lists available fields from your tasks, things like numbers, dates, roll-ups, and more, so you can insert them without guessing their names. For example, you might multiply an estimate field by a rate field to calculate projected cost, or use an if to flag tasks overdue by comparing due date to today's date. Click a variable to insert it, and you'll see it added with the correct syntax. As you build, keep an eye on formatting options. If your result represents money, choose currency and set the decimal precision. If it's time or a percentage, pick the corresponding format so your data is consistent in reports and dashboards. Remember, formula fields are read only. They update automatically whenever the referenced fields change, ensuring your totals and flags stay current without manual edits. When your formula looks good, save it and return to your view. You can drag the column to reposition it, apply filters to show only tasks with certain results, and sort ascending or descending to surface top priorities. That's it. Your formula custom field is live, accurate, and ready to help your team make better decisions at a glance.